Meta's Ray-Ban display glasses only had a handful of apps that were made by Meta, but that's finally changing. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Meta's opening up the glasses to third-party developers who are now able to experiment with display-enabled apps as well as the device's neural band controller. Meta will now work with apps that have an accompanying iOS or Android mobile app and would be compatible with web apps. The company suggests that developers can build experiences for streaming media and mini-games like chess, Snake, and a Brick Breaker style game. Adding third-party apps can make this $800 glasses significantly better. Since launch, Meta has added some of its own new features like a built-in teleprompter and handwriting capabilities to the glasses, but they still felt somewhat limited. It's unclear when any of these new third-party apps will be available. Since Meta also announced third-party app support for its non-display smart glasses last year, but most still are not available. But when they do, one thing to notice is how these apps will affect battery life. The timing of Meta's announcement is also notable. The company just announced dates for its next Connect event, where we're likely to get a lot more updates on all of its smart glasses plans. For people who already have a pair, Meta's rolling out a few significant updates which are out already, like neural handwriting feature, which allows you to respond to messages by tracing letters out with your fingers. Meta's also adding display recording capabilities that allow you to record what's happening on the in-glasses display alongside your own view and share it with others. And finally, Meta's bringing live captioning to calls made through Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.